As you can see, we're doing this design here. To make it easier for you, I'm drawing it on paper. I'm going to show you what I've done. I bought this stencil. I often use stencils, but I very rarely use them as a whole stencil. I will take parts of it. And on this one, we're going to take just this part down here, this centre part, which then gives me this shape, which I like. And then I will then take it so that we have, this is coming in here, so we have this. Shape. I like to look for different shapes when I'm doing the borders, just for variation. And I find this one is looking quite interesting to me. So although it's the same as the stencil, we're just making a little bit of modification to it so that it'll fit nicely in our border. Okay, so we're not bothered about this other bit, just this shape here. And this shape will come down and frame quite nicely in that strip. As you can see, it fits in very nicely. So I'm going to do that down the other side as well. So I'm going to put it in this blue all the way down here as well. I'm going to do this design in a 2-inch border. It can go in a 1.5 as well. Now I'm calling it T-pins, T-E-E pins. And it's come out very nice. So I thought I would do it on a white fabric so that you could see it. I tried to do it freehand, but it really needs to be, you really need to draw that in to get that, to make it look perfect. As I say, I'm doing it in a 30 weight thread so that I only have to go over it more or less once where I have to. I think it's only down this inside line I have to do twice, which makes it look very effective. And there is a rhythm to it, so it's pretty good in that way. So I bring it down, bring it back up to the top, and then I go down the left hand side, around here, up the right hand side, come back down so it's more or less just above this little stem, and then bring it around the stem and back down the left hand side. Very quick to do, but you will see at the end that it is quite effective. Got caught there, so I'll have to correct that in a bit, but the minute I'll just go on. Must be a thread under there. quite effective in the natural quilt.